Hello and welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do sublimation on polyester fabric. Also, I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful new PYD Life heat press machine. This is the 9 by 12 inches PYD Life heat press machine. I will show you how to press sublimation designs on fabric, but also you can use it to press iron-on vinyl or even DTF printings. I'm going to start with the tutorial on how to sublimate on polyester fabric. And for that, we're going to need a graphic design program to print the sublimation designs. I will be using the free graphic design program Inkscape. Also, we're going to need a printer with sublimation ink. I will be using my Epson Ecotank ET 15000 with sublimation ink. Sublimation paper, butcher paper. I will be using PYD Life butcher paper for sublimation. This one is the 12 by 12 inches. This package comes with 210 pages, heat tape, and of course a heat press. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using my new PYD Life heat press machine. Please check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. I will start working with the design, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I'm going to work with the design that I'm going to be pressing on the fabric. For that, I am using the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you would like to use Inkscape for sublimation printing, I invite you to download the program from inkscape.org. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Also, if you would like to learn how to use it, I invite you to check for my tutorials on my channel. Before we start with the design, make sure you take the measurements of the area you wish to sublimate. In this case, I will be sublimating some cute face towels. These towels measure 8 by 8 inches. Click on the square and draw a square on the canvas. Now click on the top arrow, go to the size bar above, click on the lock to open it, and here, instead of millimeters, change it to inches. Now you will be able to change the measurements using inches. The face washcloth that I'm going to customize measures 8 by 8. So this square is going to measure 825 by 825 inches. Like this, we make sure we sublimate the entire area. Now click on the lock to lock it if you wish. And I'm going to change the color, so you can see the design that I'm going to be putting on top. To insert the image, go to File, click Import, look for the folder where you have your image, select it, and open it. And here, click OK. The image is going to be big because it's saved on high resolution. I'm going to resize it to fit inside the square. Now I'm going to select the gray square and I'm going to right click and duplicate. And I'm going to change the measurements on this one to 8 by 8 inches. And I'm going to send it to the back of the image. This is to make sure the design is inside of the sublimation area that is 8 by 8. The gray area is the extra space. Now that I already know that the design is inside that area, I'm going to erase that square. Now I'm going to select the gray square and I'm going to change the color. You can either change the color using the color palette on the bottom, or you can copy some of the colors from the design. To do that, click on Fill on the bottom left corner, then click on the droplet and find the color you want to copy from your image. Click on it and automatically it's going to change the color of the square. If you didn't like the color that you copy, you can do it again until you find the color of your choice. Now I'm going to add some text. I'm going to click on the A on the left and then start typing on the canvas. Once you finish typing, click on the top arrow and resize it. You don't see the text very well because it's on top of part of the design. I'm going to erase that part. I'm going to insert a circle. I'm going to place it on top of the text, top arrow, resize it. Then I'm going to change the color to match the square. Then I'm going to send it to the back. There are other ways that we can do this, but I'm showing you the basic way, the easy way. I'm going to select the text and I'm going to change the color. And is ready to be printed. To print it, let's go to File, click on Print, select the sublimation printer, select More Options, select the paper size, select the orientation, on paper type, we're going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. In quality, select High. Click Print Preview. If your printer has that option, then go to More Options. And here is very important to select Mirror Image. Every time we're printing designs for sublimation, we need to check mirror mode, especially when we are printing text. Click OK, then print. And this is the preview of how it's going to print. If everything looks okay, click on Print. While we're printing the designs, we're going to preheat the heat press. Turn it on. And here we're going to adjust the temperature and time. First, we're going to adjust the temperature. Click on Set. Use the arrows to adjust the temperature. I'm going to be pressing face towels, and these ones are going to be pressed at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Click Set, and using the arrows, we're going to adjust the time. The time for this pressing is going to be 60 seconds. Click Set when you finish. To print my sublimation designs, I am using my Epson Ecotank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson Ecotank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. I will link it in the video description below. If the colors don't look like on your computer, don't worry. Sublimation ink activates with heat. Place and align the design on top of the face towel. Then secure it with heat-resistant tape. Now it's time to press it. Place one piece of butcher paper below the face towel and another one on top. I am using PYD Life butcher paper, and we're going to press it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. If you would like to know more about this beautiful PYD Life heat press, Find the Amazon link in the video description below. Let's reveal the design. The face towels look beautiful. Look at the colors, very vivid and bright. I love them. These cute face towels are from PYD Life Amazon. I'm going to link them in the video description below. I'm very happy with my new PYD Life heat press machine. I love how it works. You can use it to press a variety of items, such as aluminum, ceramic tiles, cosmetic bags, tote bags, t-shirts, etc. And not only for sublimation, but also for heat transfer vinyl, DTF printing, and more. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to sublimate polyester fabric using the new PYD Life heat press machine. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.